What's up, man? We about to get this channel started. Welcome to my channel. We got shit to do. It's gonna be all automotive content, some reviews, a lot of repair videos. But support me, I support y'all. Let's get this going. See if it's my first car.
Let's go.
Yeah. Let me know. Step on the brake. There you go. All right, let's do this. Y'all hear that? That's what we fixing today. Step on the brake. Yeah, that's what we about to fix today. Doing today, not the master cylinder. No, we ain't fuck with that. He's gonna change his brake booster right now. Ooh, I cussed. You can't cuss on YouTube. Not if you're trying to monetize it. My bad, YouTube. But yeah, I'm gonna get this going. We're on this Mustang right here. I'm gonna show y'all how to change this brake booster right here. There we go. And with this whole thing, bro, it's real easy, man. Like, I'll show you everything what to do. And all you need is a half socket, one half socket. Got two of them. There you go. Boom. Some wrenches and a 5/8 wrench. And I'm finna break it down how to do it real quick. So let's go. So first thing you wanna do, take this connection out. That's what you're gonna do first. I'm just gonna take this connection off. Right here. Boom. That over here. And right there. We're just gonna undo these real quick. Go into the master cylinder. You really need some paper towel, but I ain't got none.
So we gonna keep that master cylinder
No, we're gonna switch them out because we're gonna keep this one because that one got the little
thing on the side.
yeah. Other than that, it should be easy like last time. Unhook. You're gonna unhook them. It's gonna be a little brake fluid come out. I'm supposed to have a towel down here, but I ain't got it. Once you unhook these, boom, there's one little stuck. All right, we get that in a minute. Once you unhook these, you use this 1/2. And what you're gonna do is you'll go over here, right here, and it's 2 bolts. 1, 2. Those both are a half. You're gonna unscrew those. And then you got 4 bolts on the other side of this thing, right up under the dash where the brake pedal at. And you're gonna disconnect the brake pedal. It's a little tab in the brake pedal. You'll need some pliers, so I got some pliers to show you. And then the 4 bolts for that. And then it's just gonna pop out. But you'll see in a second how it's gonna pop out. bad for these camera angles. I'm really doing this shit on my iPad. I mean, on iPhone. I need a GoPro. That's what I need. A GoPro. Hold that for me. Some of these are real difficult to get to. Also, I got a different size. So if you can see, you got 4 bolts. Boom, 3, and that's the 4th one. And it's this little pin right here. You gotta get that pin out with some pliers, push that middle piece in, and pull it on that side. That's connecting the brake booster to the brake pedal right here. And then let's get them 4 bolts out. Be done, but I'm about to skip the I'm finna just get this out and bring y'all back to one, putting it back in, because this is a weird angle to hold the camera and I ain't got a GoPro, so that's all off my iPhone, bruh. First video. I'm trying to invest in the channel, just bear with me. We got all 4 pieces out, all 4 bolts out, got this little clip out. If you look down here now, down here, you should be able to just press the brake pedal. See, I want the light disappear. You come out of there, come over here. Just basically move this bitch, pull it out. So we just gonna take this little piece out right here, this little connector for the vacuum line, and then we're gonna swap the old joint for the used joint, and we're gonna see what she sound like. Then we're gonna put the old one back up, mount the old one to the new joint, and get rid of that one. It's for sale if anybody need a brake booster for a Mustang. Yeah.
Are you gonna mute this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, look.
Put some music over.
Okay, look. So now I got 2 master cylinders, huh?
Yeah, you can sell that one if you want to.
That other one too. The other one was still good. I replaced it, and it wasn't the master cylinder. It was the brake booster.
Yeah, sell both of those.
Mm.
We have to fill this master cylinder up, though.
Hmm.
So we're gonna definitely have to fill this master cylinder up. Go in here. And you gotta put this little blue piece through that little, through them holes right there, line that shit up like that. Damn, I need a GoPro. Line that shit up like that.
She was in the car next to yours,
What? No, she was just walking around. Just like that. Plug it in like that. And make sure. Now you just gotta put the 4 bolts back on. That clip is in. So now that the clip in, put them bolts back on. You tighten that joint up, so you got that tightened up. And now I'm about to tighten down the master cylinder and then go hit the 4 bolts inside. And we're gonna see if we get rid of that air/squeaking noises that we heard in the front of the video. All right.